teach my lesson.
Readers, you have been working really hard to identify main ideas of nonfiction texts. It's important to keep a close eye on what the author is wanting to teach you and all the details they use to do that. Today I want to teach you that readers not only identify the main idea, they also pay attention to the key ideas. Or readers do this by asking, what is the big idea the author is trying to teach me and how do I know? Then they
Hi, Puppy. I'm reporting for work. What should I do?
Hello, friend. Due to COVID-19, we are limiting access to our building.
Okay.
In the past 2 weeks, have you had a temp or had a dry cough or had shortness of breath?
No, I have not.
Come closer and let me scan your forehead. Your temperature is 98 Fahrenheit. Please proceed and observe safe working practices.
Okay.